Let's take a look at one of Walnut Cove's European-inspired mountain estates with beautiful full stone exterior featuring Juliet balconies, cobblestone driveway, and slate roof. Welcome to 204 Secluded Hills. This is an entertainer's dream. This is one of two outside entertainment areas. A veranda just off the living room with an outside fireplace, flowing into a flagstone patio with a fountain, all surrounded by paths made of real stone boulders, and a fire pit, all hidden in a secret garden with beautiful spring blooms.